Hello everybody! This is a companion video to a video I did previously that's about hand tools and small kitchen equipment. This video is just a quick rundown of why you should not reuse food containers from store-bought food that you get at the grocery store. There are only a couple types that are actually safe to reuse. Just because your food comes in a container at a store does not mean it's a safe container to reuse. Some containers contain unsafe plastics that are not appropriate for reuse. There are a number of different plastic types, and as far as the plastic goes, if you have to and you don't have glass and you need to reuse a container, turn it over and look for a number 2. Because the number 2 plastic container is the only one that's considered safe to reuse as a food container. Plastic number 1, Polyurethane Terephthalate, also known as PET. PET bottles are used for soft drinks. They're relatively safe, but you should not refill a PET bottle as it risks leakage of additives into your liquid. Plastic number 3 encompasses sewage pipes and synthetic window frames. It's to be avoided. In the manufacturing process, the toxic dioxin is released and softeners are often added. Plastic number 6 is disposable cups, meat trays, packaging for electronics. It is to be avoided because of possible leakage of the styrene or styrofoam chemicals. Plastic number 7 contains BPA, which is bisphenol A, which you probably hear a lot about these days. Plastic number 4 includes soft plastics such as cling film, plastic dryer cleaner covers, and carry bags. Obviously, you're not going to be eating off of any of those, and cling film is perfectly safe to put on top of your food in a storage situation, but should not be heated in the microwave. Plastic number 5 is plastic furniture, jerry cans, car parts, and bottle tops. Obviously, it's just easier to avoid using anything but glass in the kitchen, but like I said, turn your container over. If it's got a number 2 on it, it's generally considered safe for reuse. I wouldn't put it in the microwave or heat it. Glass is always going to be safer. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't watched the companion video, check out the description below for the link.